Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami kite model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this origami kite model we'll need a square piece of paper. This is very easy model, so first let's fold it around the diagonal axis, both the diagonal axes. A triangle with the creases like this. Now you have all these flaps, two on this side, two on this side, opening here and close here. So now fold out of these two, fold it here, and then fold this one single flap like this till the tip, and then press it, and then put it back like this. Similarly, you open this flap here and then fold it. Basically we are packing the stuff and we are giving this structure the kite shape like this. Now you open this again, you fold this section downwards like this, fold it back, open this section again, fold it like this, pack it back like this. Now turn it over, you'll see two flaps, this one, fold it, and this one, fold it, and these two need to put it inside this. So here, just put these two flaps inside, and that's it. This is the kite model. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a very easy model, so go ahead and make one and enjoy origami. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.